In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set your take profit and stop loss on exness. Alright, this is for newbies. Alright, so for those of you who are on the channel where we post free signals trades, this is how you are going to place your take profit. It is very, very simple, right? Now, what you need to do first is to come to the group chat. Come to the group, you see where it says sell GPB stroke USD. Now the volume is 0.01, and this is the take profit, and this is the stop loss. So make sure you look at it very well, and remember you're on sell. All right, you're on sell. Look at your take profit, and this is your stop loss. So what you need to do is just to come here, look at the numbers very carefully, and your take profits are copied the number already. Place it there. Your stop loss, place it there. Very, very simple. All right, it is just simple. And what you need to do is to click on sell. All right, make sure you confirm your take profit is 1.33798. 1.33798. Your stop loss is 1.34532. 1.34532. So what you need to do is just to click on sell. All right, if it's on buy, make sure it's on buy. All right, and don't forget your GPB stroke USD was being tagged. All right. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that follow button and like. See you on our next video. And if you don't understand anything, don't forget to share me what you don't understand on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on our next video.